Hello children, how are you all? Good? Nice. Okay, so today we are here with a revision. Yes, a revision of what you have studied, the tenses. And the revision is also going to be very interesting. So, let us see which chapter are we studying today. Yes, our chapter today is chapter 13. And the tenses that we are going to revise are present continuous and simple present tense. Yes, present continuous and simple present tense. Okay, so let us again do the revision and recollect what all we have studied in these two chapters. Yes, the present continuous tense is used for things that are happening now, just now. Yes, at the time of speaking. Okay, a live example, I am speaking just now, I am teaching you all. So, teaching is, I am teaching is a present continuous tense sentence. Look, the bus is coming. You are waiting for your bus and you can see the bus arriving. So, that is going to be present continuous tense, something that is happening right now. He is watering the plants now. He is painting at this moment. The what he is doing at this moment? He is painting. So, whatever that we do, whatever we are speaking and the activity or the action is also happening at that very same time, those things fall into present continuous tense. Yes, that will be part of present continuous tense, activity that is going on at that moment. Okay, you can see the girl watering the plants. Yes, she is doing it right now. So, it is a present continuous tense. Same way, you can see the girl eating, she is eating a burger. Yes, that is also happening right now. The boy is playing football. Yes, it's going on, the action is going on. Yes, continuously at this moment. So, it is a present continuous tense, continuously. Yes, same way the man is dancing. So, that is also going on right now at this moment. Yes. Okay. As we understood about present continuous tense, something that is happening right now, let us understand simple present tense also. Yes, the simple present tense is used for things that are always true or things that happen again and again. Yes, facts and routine. Facts and routine are going to be part of your simple present tense. Yes, our daily routine, our activities which we do on daily basis or on weekends or as our likes or dislikes are going to be part of simple present tense, and the facts also. Yes, see the examples. The sun shines during the day. Yes, we tell it is a day when there is a nice sunshine. Yes, so the sun does this work shining during the day. So, that is a fact. Anil speaks English at school. Yes, my father goes to the gym every day. What is the routine of your father? He goes to the gym every day. So, these are the few things which are happening on day-to-day basis, or they are the facts. And so, we call them as simple present tense. Okay, see, the boy is brushing his teeth. Every one of us, first of all, in the morning, every day, we all brush our teeth. Yes, so brushing is a very important part of our daily routine. Yes, so that comes under a simple present tense. Okay children, that is simple present tense. Same way as we mentioned, my father goes to the gym every day. So this is the part of daddy's routine, exercising, and so that is also a simple present tense. Yes. The use of correct forms of the verbs from the brackets. Now there is get up given to us in the bracket. How do we use it into a simple present tense as well as present continuous tense? Yes, it is 6 o'clock. Ashok is getting up. He is just coming out of his bed. He is getting up. That is happening right now. So it comes into present continuous tense. But same thing if you want to tell in a simple present tense, what happens? He gets up at 6 o'clock every morning. Yes, he gets up. It shows his routine, his habit, and so it comes under simple present tense. Yes, the next sentence, it is 6:30. It is already half an hour that he has got up. It is 6:30. He is having a bath. Is having means he is already having bath, something which is doing right now. But if the same thing you want to change it into a simple present tense, what will we say? He has a bath at 6:30 every morning. Again, it will show what does he do at 6:30 in the morning. That is at 6:30 in the morning. What does he do? Yes, what does Ashok do? Yes. Let's recall. Now again, once again, without any confusion, to be very clear, let us revise. When do we use present continuous tense? Present continuous tense, we use the present continuous tense to talk about things that are happening around the time we are doing, thinking or talking about them. Okay? We are just now, I am talking, or you all might be thinking about the sentences, about where to use and how to frame the sentences with present continuous tense. So whatever activity or thoughts or actions that are going on right now come under present continuous tense. Simple present tense, we use this tense to talk about the things that always, usually, often, sometimes or never happen. Yes, Tim and Shelley sometimes play cards. These are the sentence which can be used as a present, simple present tense. As we know, we usually come across the words always, or we use these words always, usually, often, sometimes or never in our sentences when we are talking or we are framing a sentence of simple present tense. Yes, children, I hope it was clear and we did a nice and good revision of our tenses.